We all try to choose the system, prepare for exams overnight, and sincerely believe that 4 hours of sleep is okay. Today, we will examine whether it is possible to hack our brain and what actually happens to the brain when we switch off.
So, sleep is very important for our health. Otherwise, you can easily develop heart or other diseases.
So now in more detail, you see that your brain goes through 5 stages every 90 minutes, from light sleep to deep sleep and REM sleep.
So deep sleep is restoration of the body, muscles, immune system and energy. REM sleep is brain restoration, concentration, creativity and memory. And I think it's now clear why sleep is important.
For those on diet, lack of sleep disrupts your control over feelings of fullness. Your brain thinks you're in danger and make you eat a kebab at 3 in the morning. So, if you want to have abs, go to bed!
Now let's move to some lifehacks that can help you fall asleep. Our first lot is military development. They say that Americans fall asleep in 2 minutes even under cannon fire. Shall we check it? Relax your jaw, lower your shoulders, clear your head and close your eyes.
Yes, it works, but only if you haven't had an energy drink before.
If military way didn't help, now let's try the trick biology through breathing. 4-7-8 method. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat the cycle 3-4 times.
Guys, all these methods are cool. They will help you to survive here and now. But if you really want to feel awesome, you need to accept one boring but really important thing.
Your body thrives on stability. If you go to sleep at 10 p.m. today and 3 a.m. tomorrow, your internal clock will go crazy. It is called social jet lag.
That's what causes this constant irritation, brain fog, and feeling of being run over by a truck even if you slept 10 hours on Sunday. The routine isn't about staying early, it's about staying at the same time every day. And the toughest boss right here, in my hands. The blue light from the screen blocks melatonin. Your brain thinks it's noon and keeps you from falling asleep. At least an hour before bed, put down your feet, read a book or simply stare at the ceiling. Let your brain cool down.
Lifehacks is an addition. The foundation is you and your schedule. Take care of your sleep, and exams will pass because you have only one nervous system.
So, sleep properly.
Subscribe to X1
And see you in the next video.
Goodbye.